In this video, I'll show you how to do the Word 1B SAM assignment, the Harper's Ferry Classic Car Show flyer. So what I've done is downloaded the instructions, the starting file, and the image file. If I'm going to turn it back into SAM, I need to rename the starting file from _1 to _2. If you're going to turn it into the alternate assignment, just turn it into Canvas. You don't need to rename the file. So under project steps, the first thing we need to do is change the theme color. So I go up to Design, click Colors, and go down to red orange, and things change very slightly. Next thing I'll do is resize the picture. I'll right click on the picture, click Size and Position, change the 1" to a 3". Click OK, and the picture resizes. The next thing I need to do is add a simple frame, black. So for this, I'm going to click with the picture highlighted, I'm going to click Format and then open the frames and image effects here, and you'll find a simple frame black border for the picture. Next, we have to add a gold glow accent color too. Under Picture Effects, if you click the little down arrow, click Glow, and then you'll find Gold Glow accent color 2, and that's going to give it a little bit of a glow around the outside. Okay, I need to change the paragraph spacing for the classic car show line or paragraph. I highlight it and then I go up to here to the paragraph block, click the little corner icon, and you can see that there's spacing before and after. Just clicking up on both of those changes them to 6 points. Click OK, and you see it adds a little extra space there. Now I capitalize each word in this item, and if I go up here to the ribbon, you'll see Change Case. Click that and capitalize each word. Change the font size to 48. So I'll go up to I'm in the Home tab, change the font size to 48. And finally, we want to center it. So I'm going to highlight this and click the Center button. Bold the date May 20th down here. So I'm going to highlight that, bold it. And let's go to the next page. Add the text Cold Spring in front of the third line there, in front of Park. So I click in front of Park and I type Cold Spring and a space. Create a bulleted list for the highlighted items. So starting with Antique and going down through Saturday, highlight them, click the button for the bullet list. Now we're calling attention to the bullet list by changing the font of the text to Bookman Old Style. Highlight the text, change Calibri Body to Bookman Old Style. Now I need to change the font color of that text to dark red, accent 6, darker 25. So with the text highlighted, click the Text Color button, download, and then move over to dark red, accent 6, darker 25. Move down to here, and that's the darkest there. Italicize special registration required. So I'm going to highlight those words, click the italic, and that italicizes it. Delete the sentence, register on Friday or Saturday. So I highlight that, hit the delete key, and it goes away. Apply the outline text effect, dark red accent 6, to the sentence all proceeds. So I'm going to highlight all proceeds, and I'm going to add an outline text effect. So if I go up here to text effects, drop down, click outline, and then go over to dark red accent 6, which is the dark one over here. So that's colored that. Apply the paragraph shading, gold accent 2, to the entire paragraph starting with registration. So starting with registration here, highlight the paragraph. And now paragraph shading is this little paint can. It's not the one over here. So I drop the paint can down, gold accent 2, lighter 60. Well, here's a gold accent 2, lighter 80, and lighter 60. So that colored the paragraph. Now we're going to insert a picture underneath the existing text. Click there and insert a picture, and I'm going to insert it from the folder that I downloaded things to, which was Word 1B. Here's the image. Click that and insert it. Went on to the next page because it's too big. So I'm going to right click on it, click size and position, change it from 1.55 to 1 inch. Okay, and it drops back on the first page. Now, apply the center vertical alignment to the entire page. This is not a common command, so I'm going to go over to Google and I'm going to search for word center vertical alignment, and it tells me that on the layout or page layout tab, click the dialog box launcher. So I go back to Word, layout, and click the page setup tab, and you can see that under layout there is a vertical alignment option, and I want that set to center. Make sure it's applying to the whole document because you've got all their other things here. Click OK, and it shifts very slightly. Okay, the last thing we're going to do is add a page border. So in the Layout tab, click the little corner and make sure that it says Whole Document. Then click Borders. Select the border style that you want. Change the color to the color they requested, and change the size to 1.5 points. Click OK, but make sure it's the whole document you're changing, and you'll see a border show up for the entire document. So this is what you would save and turn into SAM. Good luck.